present our phonological analysis, phonological analysis of spoken English. So, in this presentation, we will discuss segmental and suprasegmental analysis in spoken English. We will focus on syllables, onset, nucleus, product, stress, and intonation. So, before we begin, let me introduce our group members. My name is Talwari, and together with my friend, Bidadari Selatan, lalu Munadatul Purkon, and Muhammad Torik Webiansa. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay. For this analysis, we use the sentence, "The beautiful information from the university is important to remember." Okay. This sentence is used as the data source for our phonological analysis, and we can also see the phonemic transcription using IPA symbols. From this sentence, we selected 5 important words to analyze. First one is information, university, remember, important, and beautiful. Okay, now let's continue to the next slide. Segmental analysis. Next. Okay, in this section, we analyze the internal structure of syllables. Specifically, we focus on onset, nucleus, product, and lexical stress. The onset is the consonant sound at the beginning of a syllable, and the nucleus is the vowel sound, which is the center of the syllable, and the coda is the consonant sound at the end of the syllable. Now, let's look at the first word. Next. Okay. Next slide will be presented by my friend.
Okay. I will present the next slide. This slide for word analyze information. The first word information, it consists of 4 syllables. Information, each syllable contains an onset, nucleus, and sometimes a coda. The primary stress falls on the third syllable, ma, which contains the diphthong a. The first syllable receives secondary stress. This stress placement makes the pronunciation sound natural in English. Next. Okay. And the next word analyzed for university. The second word is university. It contains 5 syllables. U-ni-ver-si-ti. The primary stress is placed on the third syllable, for which contain the vowel. The first syllable has secondary stress. This stress pattern is important because changing the stress can affect intelligibility and pronunciation accuracy. Okay, next. Okay, the next word analysis. Remember. The third word is remember. It consists of 3 syllables. Remember. The primary stress occurs on the second syllable, mem. The word follows a strong weak pattern where the stressed syllable is clearly more prominent than the others. Okay. The next slide will be presented by Bidadari.
Right. We will go to the next example. The next slide. Example word important. The fourth word is important. It contains 3 syllables too. In, for, and ten. The primary stress falls on the middle syllable. For, because it contains the long vowel for. The includes the constant cluster and which is forms a complex code. Next slide. The next example is beautiful. The 5th word is beautiful. It has 3 syllables: view, T, and full. The primary stress is on the first syllable, which is view. This word follows a dicteric rhythm, which means strong, weak, weak. The stress level contains the vowel U, making it the most prominent part of the word. We will move on to the next slide about supramental analysis. After examining individual words, we continue with supramental analysis. Unlike segmental analysis, supramental analysis focuses on features that extend across word and sentence, such as stress, rhythm, and intonation. In this presentation, we focus on intonation. The next slide, the next presentation will be Nadia.
Okay, so here is intonation analysis. As you can read here, the following intonation, the sentence behave as a standard declarative statement. In English, the declarative statement usually have a following intonation. For example, we got, remember. So the intonation is falling at the end. So that's what you following intonation. The sentence behave as a standard declarative statement. In standard English phonology, declarative utterance conclude with a falling pitch on the final stressed syllables. Like example that I said before, remember. So next one is acoustic pitch peak. The pitch peak occurs on the primary stress of the final content word remember, followed by a sharp decline in a pitch on the final syllables to signify semantic completeness. So as you can see here, there is a high pitch here on the before the end of the sentence. So the word remember. So I think it's a stress word. That's why it's have a high pitch and then have a falling intonation at the end because it's the end of the sentence. That's why it has a falling intonation right here. So in conclusion, our phonological analysis shows how English words are organized into syllable and stress patterns. And then we found each keyword has a specific stress placement that contributes to correct pronunciation. Also, the sentence use falling intonation, which is typical of a declarative statement. Through this analysis, we can better understand how English speech out are structured and produced. And yeah, I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you. I give back the time to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention. That's all for our. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.